Okay, good morning, students. We are doing this factorization. We have already done model 1, model 3, 2 and 4. And model 3, I am going to repeat this. Okay, look there. Model 3, yes. Model 3 is not very difficult. Same as model 1. In model 1, there are 3 terms. But in model 2, there is also 3 terms. Only fraction is given. In model 2 and 3 same. But in model 3, there is only 2 terms. 2 terms is very easy. Look there. X power 4 plus 4x power 4. If there is 3 terms, we have to put first term and last term together. If there is only 2 terms, then what? It is very easy. Use their formula. Suppose this is A and B. What? A square plus B square. You know, A square plus B square means what? A plus B, A minus A plus B 1 whole square minus 2AB. This formula. And next we have to use A square minus B square means A plus B and A minus B. These 2 formula we have to use. So first, suppose this A and this B. A square means what? X square 1 whole square plus then B square 4 means what? 2. Okay. Look, there not X, there is Y. 2y power 4, 2y square 1 whole square. Yes. A square plus B square. Suppose A square plus B square means what? A plus B only. A means what? X square plus 2y square whole square minus then what? 2ab. 2a means x square into b means what? 2y square. 2ab. What there? X square plus 2y square 1 whole square minus 2 to the 4, then x square y square. Yes. Then what happened? X square plus 2y square 1 whole square minus 4x square y square means what? 2xy1 whole square. Suppose this bracket is A, this bracket is B. A square minus B square means A plus B, A minus 1 time plus 1 time minus. Yes. What? X square plus 2y square plus 2xy plus 2xy and minus 2xy. Okay. If there is 2 terms, it is easier. First we have to use A square plus B square. Then at last we have to use A square minus B square. A square plus B square means what? A plus B1 whole square minus 2ab. Next, go to another question number 3. What is, look there, question number 3. 64x power 4 plus y power 4. There is 2 terms. Yes, 2 terms is very easy. We have to use A square plus B square. What is, okay, suppose this A, this B. 64 means what? 8x square 1 whole square. Y power 4 means y square 1 whole square. Suppose this is A, this B. A square plus B square. A square plus B square. A square plus B square means what? A plus B1 whole square. 8 means what? 8x square plus B means what? Y square 1 whole square minus 2ab. 2a means 8x square into B means y square. 8x square plus y square 1 whole square minus 8 2 जा 16 x square y square. Yes. Suppose this bracket is A, this bracket is B. A square minus B square you have to use 8x square plus y square 1 whole square. Then 16x square y square means what? 4x y 1 whole square. Suppose this front bracket is A and this is B. A square minus B square means 1 time plus A B, A minus B. What? 8x square plus y square 1 time plus 4xy, then 8x square plus y square 1 time minus 4xy. This answer. If there is only two terms, then directly we have to use a square plus b square. After multiplying, we have to use a square minus b square. Okay, this question can be asked in fraction as well. Yes, there is question given in fraction also. Look there, question number 5. Yes, 5. A power 4 plus 1 upon 4. A power 4 plus 1 upon 4. There is also two terms. Yes? Suppose this A and B. A power 4 means what? A square 1 whole square. 1 by 4 means what? 1 by 2 1 whole square. This A and B. A square plus B square. What may be A square plus B square? Look there. A square plus B square means A plus B1 whole square. A means what? A square plus B means 1 upon 2. A plus B1 whole square minus 2AB 2. A means A square, B means 1 by 2. 2AB. This 2 and 2 cancel. What is? A square plus 1 upon 2 1 square minus A square into 1 A square. Suppose this A and this B. What? A square plus 1 upon 2 1 square minus A square means A1 whole square. Suppose this bracket is A and this B. A square minus B square means A plus B, A 1 time plus 1 time minus. Yes? What may be? A square plus 1 by 2 plus A square plus 1 by 2 minus A. यो यसलाई बीचमा देख्न सक्छ कसैले एरेन्जिङ गर्छ एरेन्ज नगरेर यतिकै एन्सर लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ ओके दिस मोडल 3 yes model 3 there is only two terms in two terms we have to use first a square plus b square means a plus b1 whole square minus 2ab then next after multiplying we have to use a square minus b square minus b square means a plus b a minus b 1 time plus 1 time minus we have to use there. Okay. These four types of question factorization is important in class 9. Yes, model 1 we have done power 4 factorization. There are what? 3 terms. In model 2 there are also 3 terms, but the fraction is given. In model 3 there is only 3 terms. We have just done. And in model 4 there are 5 terms. It is very important. In 5 terms we have to use 2 times formula a square plus 2ab minus b square or a square minus 2a plus b square. Now we are going to do next question, out question. Yes, this out question is outside from your book. Yes. Out questions. Look there. First one, x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. Look there. There are what? 4 terms. In 4 terms we have to arrange, right? 4 terms are we have to arrange. कसरी arrange गर्ने? दुईटा arrange भइरहेछ यी. These two. Among these two what? X square is common. X square is common what? X minus 1. Then there is nothing is common, so in this case we have to use take one common आयो केही पनि मिलेन भने x plus minus 1 among these two x minus 1 bracket मा भएकोले एउटा x minus 1 भयो, then what x square minus 1 यो बाहिर x square minus 1 यसको फेरि फ्याक्टर हुन्छ, जति सब फ्याक्टर हुन्छ हामीले फ्याक्टर गर्ने x minus 1 then what x square means x 1 whole square, 1 square means 1 square, x minus 1 a square minus b square means a plus b, a minus 1 time plus 1 time minus, it is means x plus 1 then x minus 1, yes x plus 1 एउटा मात्रै भएकोले x plus 1 x minus 1 दुईटा भएकोले x minus 1 square, that's answer. Question number 1. Okay, then look question number 4. 2ax minus 2ay minus 3by plus 3bx. Okay, there are also 4. Among these two common may be, yes. What may be common among these? 2a. 2a is common. 2a is common. What is remaining? X. 2a gone. Y. Minus among these 3b is common. If 3b is common, what is remaining? Y plus minus x. Okay. In factorization, two brackets should be same, yes, same हुनु पर्यो ब्रैकेट है, यहाँ x minus 1 यहाँ y minus सेम भएन, भ्यारिएबल्स त सेम छ, साइन सेम छ त छैन, यो x minus y यो रिभर्स छ, यसलाई हामीले उल्टो बनाउनु पर्यो, उल्टो बनाउँदा यो साइन चेन्ज हुन्छ है, 2a then what x minus यहाँ x minus y छ भने यहाँ x minus y, यहाँ त y minus x छ है, यसलाई रिभर्स गर्दा साइन शुड बी चेन्ज प्लस what 3b then y minus x हैन x minus y. Among these two x minus y, one is x minus y and remaining what 2a plus 3b. That's all. Okay, then look question number 6. What is question number 6? X cube plus 2x square plus 8 plus 4x. Okay, there is also 4 terms. We can arrange this. 8 लाई पछाडी 4x लाई अगाडि राखेर पनि हामी अरेन्ज गर्न सक्छौं, x क्यूब र 8 लाई सँगै राखेर पनि गर्न सक्छौं है, दुईटा तरिका, धेरै तरिका हुन सक्छ एउटा क्वेशन गर्ने। ल हामी अरेन्ज गर्छौं x क्यूब plus 2x square plus 4x then what 8. Among these two common, what is common? X square is common, x square is gone, so what x plus x square gone 2 plus among these two 4 and 8, 4 is common, x plus 4 to the 8, yes 2. Among these 2x plus 2, one is x plus 2, then what x square plus 4, that's answer. Okay students, you can do this all out questions. Okay, after this question we have finished factorization.